Tell walk one blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and as you can see by the title, today we are going to be trying the new Fenty Beauty skin tint. So usually I'm not a skin tint type of person, but I have been trying to perfect my no makeup look recently, my fresh face makeup look. So at this point in time it met me at my point of need, and I have never tried a tinted moisturizer or anything of the sort that suited my skin tone. So the prospect of this being a good match for me made me think, you know what, let me cop. So this skin tint is £25. I got it from Boots, and I'm just going to show you how it looks on me and tell you my thoughts of it. So this is just going to be my first impression, and if this sounds like something that you're interested in seeing. So I've been trying to perfect my no makeup look or fresh face makeup look, because I feel like no makeup I just can't do it. Like literally, if I'm gonna do no makeup, it's just gonna be concealer and mascara, and that's it. That is it. But like if I want to do like a dewy, fresh, natural look, yeah, I've just been trying to perfect that process, and I feel like this is gonna be a good product for that. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna go into my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched base, because it's like a moisturizer and a primer at the same time. So I think it's perfect for this kind of product, and I've just been loving it recently. So I love the feel of this. It's so nice. It just feels like your skin is just plump and juicy and perfect. I don't know, it just feels amazing. So this is the skin tint. This is what it looks like. It looks super tiny, but it actually is 32ml, which is 2ml more than a normal foundation size, but it just looks so dinky. What I do like about the packaging is that it goes with that whole hexagonal, octagonal, whatever shape it is. I feel like it just has that vibe, that Fenty vibe with it. So I really like it. I think it's cute, very easy to slip in your bag, easy for on the go, but that's just not the way I would do a tinted moisturizer. So I'm just gonna do it the way I would do it, and I'll show you guys. So I got it in the shade 20, and that's the shade that they said would be good for if you are 420. It correlates apparently. So I'm just gonna squeeze a bit out. It looks like a really good shade. I don't know if that's too much. I'm just going to take my Morphe buffing brush and try and buff that into my skin. So straight away it does feel extremely lightweight, and I do have like, I won't say problematic skin, but I do have like little dark marks here and there. So, and discoloration around my lips and everything, so it's interesting just to see how it's gonna run, how it's gonna look. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. It looks like what it says on tin. It is just a tint. Like it doesn't have full coverage. It's very light. I think if your skin is like super perfect, this is gonna be perfect for you. But me and my my skin is good. My skin is alright. My skin is okay. My skin, I'm just gonna see how it goes. It looks like skin, it feels like skin, like it really feels like there's nothing on. This is one of the most lightweight complexion products I've used ever. I'm not really a tinted moisturizer person. The two that I have picked up don't suit me as well as I would like, and that's the NARS one and the Revolution one. They don't suit my skin tone perfectly, as this is like a perfect match. I really like it, but if you know me, you know I'm not gonna leave it here. I know that's what people that wear the kind of thing do, but not I. So I'm just gonna do a little zhuzh of the face. Just gonna speed through the rest of the routine. I'm gonna try and show you my fresh face makeup look. Nothing too much, nothing too heavy. Everything is lightweight, everything is skin-like. So for concealer today, I'm feeling like the L'Oreal Paris Infallible concealer in the shade Honey. I like this concealer because it's like close to my skin tone, but it also has really good coverage. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on underneath the eyes. I love the coverage of that. So I'm gonna go into the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Powder, and I'm using the shade number 3 underneath my eyes, just to set my eyes and make it look, you know, that airbrush look. This powder is very light coverage, very lightweight as well, so everything I'm using today is going to be on the more sheer side. And the powder that I'll be using to set everything else is the Dior No Powder Powder, Dior Backstage No Powder Powder. I got this in the shade F5N, so I've been loving it since I got it because it has a very, very beautiful, lightweight, natural skin-like finish. Like, it literally is like you're not using powder. It doesn't look matte or anything. The skin is looking really good, really natural, but really flawless at the same time. I feel like I have a few spots showing through on my chin, which is like my problem area, but I don't have a problem with them. We're just gonna live with them. I don't mind a bit of my skin poking through. So now this is like the final thing I'm gonna do for my skin before any kind of setting spray. So I'm gonna go into the Fenty Beauty Rose Latte Cream Blush. I finally gave in and I bought it. I've been wanting to buy it for the longest time, but I kept trying to convince myself not to and trying to find dupes, but nope. I need it. Beautiful. This is gonna add some warmth to my face and a bit of dimension without doing too much contouring or bronzing. Love it. And because it's such a brownie shade, it's not gonna be too stark on my face or too obvious. So that is pretty much it for the skin for now. All I'm gonna do is just fill in my eyebrows a little teensy bit, nothing too dramatic, and then mascara and we're done, I guess. So to finish it off, I'm gonna go with my favorite Fenty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Fussy. Ooh. And even without spraying my face just looks so glowy, which I love. Look at that. But to finish it off, I'm just going to spray my face with the Revolution Super Dewy Setting Spray. Scared me for a minute there. So I kind of just want to show you guys what this foundation routine or this skin routine or this complexion routine looks like in natural light. It looks very, very natural. You look like you have makeup on, yes, but you don't look like you're doing too much. It's not heavy, it's not cakey. I never look cakey, to be honest. But you know, just if you're going for that natural look, that, you know, comfortable, dewy, glowy look, this is it. So now I'm just going to round up and give you my first impressions of the product. So first of all, the product is very, very lightweight. Like, I can barely feel this makeup routine on my face. Everything just feels so light, because bear in mind I did use very, you know, lightweight products all in conjunction with each other, and I kind of really just love the way it looks. It doesn't look heavy. It is perfect for work, perfect for school, perfect for just running errands, and you just don't want to look like, you know, like you've been in the house for a year. Another thing I love about it is the match. I was not sure about how the, you know, matches and the skin tones and everything were gonna work, because usually she goes with the, you know, the ranges 420, 430, all those things. But there is like kind of a guide that shows you if you're, this is your shade and this is gonna be your shade and this. So that helps me. And I actually really like the shade. I think it is a good match to 420, and I feel like this is the first skin tinted moisturizer that I've tried that does work for me, at least in the skin tone department. I also love the finish of it. Bear in mind I did use lots of different products together, but I love the fact that my skin just looks healthy and radiant. I love that. I like this kind of makeup because I feel like when it does start to rub off or fade, it doesn't look like, oh no, your makeup is like missing, something's wrong. It just looks like, you know, lived in, worn, like, which is what I like. But yeah, all in all, I do really enjoy this product. I do recommend it, especially if you like skin tints and things like that. I recommend this one. I think it's a good one. And also if you are trying to get into a more natural side of makeup, because I feel like that's the shift in the makeup industry recently. But anywho, that is it for today's video. Please, if you enjoyed it, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'd love to see you in the next one.